Fast Track Basement System is a hybrid, new generation drain tile. Fast Track Basement System requires half the work of drain tile and runs faster and more efficiently. Fast Track's unique design allows it to be installed next to the footing or on top of the footing. Fast Track main sections were designed to be narrower at the bottom and wider at the top to create rapid water flow. As the water enters the channel, only a small amount of water is needed to create flow compared to drain tile, which needs a substantial amount of water to fill up inside the pipe before it even begins to flow towards the sump pump. Fast Track's exclusive rapid flow profile requires a fifth the amount of water inside the channel to begin draining to the sump pump when comparing to drain tile. Fast Track main sections use a series of slits to allow water into the channel and keep rock and sediments out. Fast Track main sections come in 6-foot-long rigid sections. Fast Track's rigid sections mean you need less of a grade when trenching to create flow. There are no hills and valleys for water to make its way through or stagnant water, like you would have with drain tile. When installing the Fast Track main sections next to the footing, you use our low-profile dimple board called Drain-Eze. The Drain-Eze basement system is a patented design of bifolds and dimples that create a 3/8-inch gap on top of the footer and up the wall for water to flow freely to the Fast Track channel set next to the footer. The rim skirt basement system was designed to allow the Fast Track main sections to be installed on top of the footing. The rim skirt nests together with the Fast Track, creating a fin that collects any seepage from the face of the walls and channels it into the Fast Track. The Fast Track is a complete system. Inspection ports can be added anywhere in the installation, offering easy access should service be needed. Fast Track Basement System was introduced in 2009 to the basement waterproofing industry and quickly rose in popularity with contractors looking for a modern, high-efficient, and easier-to-install alternative to old-fashioned drain tile. Waterproof.com is your destination for superior products and top-level support.